Okay, I have another fun activity we could do.
Which kind role na go give small pikin wey go make her to dey kiss inside movie? Omo, no be small thing, my people. A lot of people don dey ask questions, say, is this guy really dating this girl? I mean, just movie. Some people come dey talk say this movie, no, e dey out of point. Say this girl too small to be kissing for inside movie. Say make Ominioboli no dey use this girl dey cash out. Omo, my people, no be small thing. A lot of reactions from different people. Let's look at them. This one talk say, Omo, isn't that girl too small for this room? As no offense, just asking. This one talks so this girl is not yet 18. Her elder just clocked 19 years 2 months ago. Another person talks it. This is K-drama in Nollywood. The only reason I want to be size 10 is so someone will carry me. Omo, this one they find love. This one talks say child abuse. Omo, ANGEL Unigwe, this beautiful actress, don't come out address the general public. Say make una leave me alone. I dey live my life. ANGEL Unigwe don't come address general public. Say she be adult, she's 18 plus and she no be small pikin. Say make people leave her, make she enjoy her life and her new boyfriend. Omo, my people, no be small thing. Wait till una think. Drop your opinion for comment section. See you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow this channel for more OMg news with the totori body. Una know as we dey do. I'm for here. I stay am about girl see. Una know say for this channel now. Gist with the totori body I dey always find for una. Do well to subscribe. If you are a new subscriber, please subscribe. This is Cindy Gist TV. Give us a thumbs up, like, comment, share our videos. They give us one kind encouragement to continue. See you guys on my next episode. Stay safe out there. Bye.
Sorry, sweetie.
The house is so tense and weird. Nobody's talking to each other. Oh, boy. I need a fun activity that will take my mind off everything happening in that house.
Fun activity? Should we play games?
No, you always do that.
What else? You want to play with my hair?
I'm playing with your hair right now.
Okay.
Oh, wait. I know what we can do.
Okay.
Let's cook.
Cook? No. I just moved here. I don't want you to burn it down.
Oh, what is that even? I'm offended.
Okay, I have another fun activity we could do.
What?
Let me tell you.
Girl, take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Give me your hand before I'm old. Girl, take me to your heart, take me to your soul. I'm the treasure that